Morning everyone. Well, it's morning here in London. It's been a little bit grey, a little bit miserable. So I hope it's a little bit brighter where you are. But in today's video, I wanted to share with you some exciting new products from L'Oreal, and it's their sugar scrubs. And they look and smell divine. So I'm going to be sharing those with you in a second. But before I do, if you're not already a subscriber, then please do click the link below and go and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, I have no makeup on at the moment, and generally my skin has been fairly good over the last few months. Apart from this little thing here, I've decided to make an appearance. And I generally don't get spots in that area. I normally get them kind of around the chin area. So please excuse my friend who decided to join us today. So when L'Oreal launched a new range of sugar scrubs, I was really excited to try them because I love scrubs, I love masks, they work really well on my skin. And here they are. And they look and smell amazing, all three of them, they really do. So the top one here is the clear scrub, and then this one is the nourish scrub, and then we've got a glow scrub as well. So this one, the glow scrub, has grapeseed oil in it, which has vitamin E in it, so it's really good at helping to kind of boost the skin, make the skin look more radiant. Smells gorgeous too. They all smell so divine. You're going to want to eat them, but please don't. Please do not eat them. They're purely to go on the skin, and they're all recommended to be used about 3 times a week. And the consistency of them all is lovely and thick. So I actually think that a lot will go a long way. So let me quickly show you. They're quite gentle scrubs, so they're not too harsh. You add water to them, so they might feel really harsh at the beginning, but they're not. Once you add the water to it, then it really does really soften up that sugar. And yeah, as I say, this one smells glorious. So this is the glow scrub. This next one is the nourish scrub, and this one has coconut butter and coconut oil in it. This is the consistency of this one. Again, oh, smells lovely. If you're a chocolate lover like I am, oh my gosh, you're gonna love this one. It's not too strong or anything, but you can certainly smell that cocoa. Oh, smells lovely, smells divine. So again, this is another one to kind of soften and brighten the skin. Let's just feel a little bit of the texture of this one. So this one feels a little bit, the grains feel a little bit finer in this one. But again, with all of them, you add water, so you don't have to panic. They're not going to be too sharp and too abrasive on the skin because you will add water to them. Once you've added the water, then they start to soften up and then you wash it off. So not a problem. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells so nice. They all smell so glorious. So yeah, this is the nourish scrub. And then finally, the green one, which is the clear scrub. And this one has peppermint oil in, lemongrass oil in, obviously kiwi seeds. And that's what it looks like. Looks lovely. Smells divine. You can smell that kiwi for sure in there. Oh, that smells beautiful. And the consistency of this one, I'm actually going to put this one on, hence the reason why I didn't put any makeup on today. You can see how lovely and gloopy this is. Let me just try it out for you. So again, the grains on this are not too thick. You might get a little bit worried to start off with, but once you add that water, it's absolutely fine. Oh, feels and smells so nice. It really, really does. And even without water, so as you can obviously see, I haven't put any water to it just yet, but even without adding the water straight away, it actually feels fine to just put a thin layer on over the skin, and then add the water and wash it off. So as you can see, I've washed off the clear scrub with the kiwi, and honestly my skin feels so smooth, I'm not even lying. It really does feel super smooth. I keep touching it just just to feel it. They are really good. I've been using them for about a week now, and I love them all. I can't even pick one that I think is my favorite. I think they're all really great. And they all leave the skin feeling lovely. And considering there's no crazy chemicals or anything in the ingredients, they're all from 100% natural origins, I think it's a really lovely scrub. So if you don't like using things that have too many chemicals in, this is a really great option. So yeah, big thumbs up, love them, absolutely love them all. So if you are interested in them, I'll leave links and everything below so you can go and check them out, go and purchase them, give them a go. They are amazing and they're so reasonably priced as well. So yeah, huge recommendation from me for these. I think that they are lovely and my skin feels great with them, so go and check them out. So that's it for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it, hope you found it useful. If you do go and try them, please do let me know, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, because I think you'll really like them. If you're not a subscriber, please do click the link as well and go and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.